What's up, everyone? So, honestly, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I invite you on all my videos. Always share your thoughts in the comments, but tell me, can you not see what's going on here and where things are headed? That we are indeed on the eve of destruction. Oh, and just got another unconfirmed report that Sergeant Doctor's throwing in his vote for me. He says if nothing else, if I get in there, then he can stop watching my videos. So, if nothing else, do him a favor, right? Yeah. Seriously, get Douglas Engel out of there. Vote for everyone who's not currently in there. What's up, Defiance? How's it going? Election time's pretty much here, right? And early voting has already begun. Some people probably won't like the results, right? But I need to get on here and remind you, because there are those who don't want you to know that here in Defiance County, we can end the corruption. You can get rid of Douglas Engel. And you should. And you can write me in or write anyone in. What you need to do is get him out of there, right? Being a lawbreaker has taught me several important lessons. One, the most criminal people in this area are elected officials. So we have unconfirmed reports that we're getting some major votes on my side, write-ins already, right? Couple of names like Troy Essex and John Roars, Morris Murray, Joseph Smink. These are just some of the names, unconfirmed right now, but as the way it sounds, I guess they're really wanting to get me in there to get. They themselves are saying the corruption is so bad, they got to get somebody in there that's going to do something about it, right? So, let's not forget, we can do something about these scumbags, or we can sit there and ignore it and keep pretending everything's fine. But as you've already seen from a few cases I've shared, and some more getting ready to come up, we're so corrupt around here, and something's got to be done about it. Attention, piggies. You are going to be detained for public questioning. I want to know what does keep the peace mean.
Well, it says failure to vacate premise result in the plaintiff with the sheriff keeping the peace, taking possession of the premise. Means we will go out there. What happens is whoever is...
Can you buzz me back?
We don't order, as you're aware. This is not us versus you. It's...
On this one, right.
It's a mortgage company.
Right.
So the mortgage company would contact a mover or whatever to come out and to move you out, or I don't know quite how they'll do it. And we just stand by when they come out.
Right, okay, so here's what I'm saying. I'm already peaceful, right? I'm on my property. I'm the one in possession. I want to make this clear. Somebody shows up, they're trespassing.
Well,
But
I'll tell you what.
I'm not-
Let me discuss this with the sheriff. He will not be back in the rest of the day. I don't know that I'll see him tomorrow. The latest we'll see him, because I'm not going to be in tomorrow. I will probably speak to him on Monday about what you have just told me. Okay? Although that says the 22nd.
That's Saturday, yeah.
That's Saturday. I will see what I can do prior to that. Given the fact that I'm not here, I'll probably have to make some phone calls tomorrow.
Okay. Well, okay, what about all my stuff in here? I got personal stuff.
Well, that stuff will be packaged up and put in a storage place.
Shouldn't I have like a little bit of time today to just at least package the immediate stuff I need that's laying here and that personal stuff that people don't need to see that I just want to pack up and get, put in my vehicle? Can I do that? I don't see why not. So, where is Nation Star at?
They will be appearing. We're doing our function of what we have to do. Okay, by the order of the court.
It literally says we need to enforce signed by a judge.
Okay.
So we're not going to answer. We're not going to go over the questions, all the questions you got. Do you want your dog or not?
I want my dog. I want to also get my personal
You're
stuff.
not going to get your personal stuff. You can get the dog, or you can go to jail. I don't care.
All right, but I want to understand that I got personal stuff in here that could interfere with my case, which you guys are a problem with.
That's fine. We're not going to be packing up your stuff. We're not going to be packing up your stuff.
And I don't want nobody touching my personal stuff.
You understand if you come back to the property, we'll have no choice but to arrest you. Yes.
I don't
Larry's gonna
understand
be
that.
leaving. Really, can you call Nationwide? You come back, you stay here until I get here. Due to the court order.
This is, ladies and gentlemen, Officer Little. This is the guy that caused all my problems.
You gotta leave.
I,
You don't. We're trying to give you due warning, Larry. We don't want to have to arrest you. Okay, you just need to leave the property.
right, and I'm doing this under duress, a threat.
That's fine. We'll document that.
Threat of getting arrested that we already told you.
Threat of being arrested unlawfully. I want to know where my shit is that they stole and forced away from me. I want answers, and I'm not getting answers, so I'm gonna find these guys wherever the fuck they are. I'm gonna start following them. I'm gonna start making their lives hell too. There are public servants, and it's time for them to straighten the fuck up. Hello, sir. I'm not doing good. I want to know where my shit is that nobody's giving back to me that you guys stole from me.
I'm not here to talk to you about that.
I'm here to talk to you about that.
Okay, that's fine. We'll see you later because I'm leaving.
I've already went to the sheriff's department several times. I want to know where my shit is. You guys stole it from me, did you not?
I didn't take anything from you, nor did I steal.
Yeah, I got it on video. You guys stole my equipment. But I want to know where my fucking clothes is. Where are they at?
My understanding is the officer talked to you.
They won't give it to me, so I'm reporting it stolen. I want my shit. You guys were responsible for letting them take it. I want to know where it's at. You tell me where the fuck it's at, and I'll go get it. Would be considered stolen. There's nothing you're gonna do. Okay, our sheriff, Doug Engel, refuses to do his job. You guys still have my clothes. My clothes, get this. Let me ask you a question. Okay, let me ask you a question just on your personal opinion. I have a friend who has a hog barn. This is no lie. Okay, how about I'm gonna take you right now for no reason, and I'm gonna go ahead and arrest you and lock you in that barn for 4 days. Are you okay with that?
Sir, you can't do that because you're refraining me from my
I can't.
liberty.
Right. But yeah, you guys can do that.